Hi guys, good evening. This is Steven from Cushion Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. Bitgert is throwing some airdrops. You can see from the screen here. You can see Bitgert. They are the one that owns the Brise coin. Brise. The name of their coin is Brise. And they're throwing airdrop worth about 5 billion. So it's an opportunity for you to get free Brise. Although the price range for Brise now is still very low, but since it is free, there's no harm in getting it, and it has been listed in so many exchanges, including Hobby and KuCoin. So you can either go to KuCoin and make purchase, you can withdraw, you can transfer, but I think on KuCoin you can't trade, thus you can't convert it. So this is a task you need to complete. Okay, I'm coming. So you need to complete some task. I will keep a link in the description. You click the link to complete the task and sign up. So let me take you to the exchange, their exchange. You can see, let me take you to the exchange. So this is Bitgert. So like I said, they are the owner of Brise. You can see this, the exchange. Okay, I'm trying to log in. You can see. Let me submit my Google authentication code. So I've logged into this wallet. So this is the exchange. You can see the price of BTC. So they have their own exchange, and at the same time, let's go to the wallet, deposit. You want to get your Brise wallet address because you need it to complete one of the tasks after signing up here. So let's type Brise. This is the coin, this is their coin, this is their coin, Brise. So that's what you'll be getting. So it is only on BRC20. So this is your wallet address for the task. You need this for the task to complete one of the tasks. And to complete the task, I will leave a link in the description for you to use and also refer people so that you can get free Brise. It is 9 days to go now, 9 days to go. So this is it about their exchange. Let me show you their YouTube, their Twitter channel. So you can see this is their Telegram, this is their Telegram channel, this is their Bitgert exchange, and this is their Brise. So let's go here. You can see they have 86,281 members. So it's a growing community. You can see their exchange, they have 8,613 member. You can see, so it's a growing community. So you can see also that they have the coin listed in KuCoin, Hobby, Gates.io, Bitmart, Lbank, and the rest. So you will need, this is a very nice project. So this is a very nice project. This is a very nice project. So we have just 9 days for this airdrop to be over. So you get your airdrop, you get your bonus after the airdrop. So you have just 9 days. So you can start with my link. I will send you a link to this particular site where you complete your task and you sign up on their exchange, and at the same time you refer people also, and also get what you get tokens of Brise for free. You get tokens of Brise for free. So this is the Bitgert airdrop, and they have a strong Twitter. I think I will need to enter into their Twitter to show you their Twitter page. You can see this is their Twitter handle, Bitgert Brise. You can see they are having 562k followers now. It's a growing community, and it's going to be a very big community. Although the price now for Bitgert is very low, but at the same time it is better to enter early. I've been with this people for a year and I'm doing research on this particular coin, so you might want to join. Even though you're not going to buy, you can take advantage of the airdrop. Thank you. So There's a link in the description to my WhatsApp group in case you want to ask more questions, and use the link to complete your task, and you can meet me for any questions. Thank you.